The global croissant market generates more than $2.2 billion each year, which translates into an exuberant consumption of this snack around the world. To meet this enormous demand, thousands of factories dedicated to the production of this product work tirelessly every day. But how do they do it? To find out, join me in a factory capable of producing more than 200,000 units of croissants a day. The croissant's history is a fascinating culinary journey that dates back to Vienna, Austria, where it originated as a cake called Kipferl. According to legend, Marie Antoinette, an Austrian princess who became Queen of France, introduced the Kipferl to the French court, where it eventually evolved into the croissant we know today. Although modern croissants were developed and popularized in France long after Marie Antoinette's time, their influence was key in their introduction. The croissant has gained immense popularity, not only in France, but all over the world, becoming a symbol of French pastry. Over the years, the croissant has inspired various variations and has been adapted to suit different palates and cultures, from croissants filled with jams and chocolates to those designed for space conditions, such as those carried by French astronaut Thomas Pesquet to the International Space Station. This versatility and adaptability have secured her place as a global culinary icon. So what's the process behind this revolutionary product? This entire process begins with the receipt of the raw material, which is then stored according to the specific needs of the production process. In the first instance, a visual analysis and detailed verification of the specifications of each raw material is carried out, including inspection of the condition of the packaging. In addition, a sample is taken to carry out a thorough internal control of the quality of the material. Once these controls are completed, the acceptance or rejection of the raw material is decided. The amount of raw material to be stored depends on several factors: the time needed to replenish orders, how often it is used, and the physical characteristics of the raw materials, such as their size and durability. This meticulous approach ensures that only high-quality raw materials are used, thus optimizing the efficiency and quality of the final product. Thanks to technological advances, the production of croissants has reached an impressive speed, reflecting a business in the midst of automation boom and valued at millions of dollars. In a production line that has the capacity to manufacture and process more than 1,680 kilograms of dough per hour, which is equivalent to more than 24,000 croissants per hour, the process begins with the mixing of large quantities of ingredients such as water, sugar, salt, yeast, oil, and flour. To handle these huge volumes, industrial-sized mixers are used, specifically designed to process colossal batches. These industrial mixers are equipped with extremely powerful motors and robust mechanisms that ensure a complete mixing of the ingredients, thus achieving the right texture and elasticity for the croissant dough. The mixing process is meticulously regulated, with parameters such as mixing speed and duration being precisely calibrated to ensure uniform consistency in the dough. A crucial aspect in the quality of croissant dough is to avoid heating it during kneading. For this reason, these large mixers have built-in cooling systems that keep the dough at a constant temperature, with 20 degrees Celsius being the ideal temperature. This thermal control is essential for the dough to retain its consistency and optimal properties, avoiding any degradation that could affect the quality of the final product. Once the kneading is finished, the dough is transferred to the hopper of the machine responsible for turning it into thin sheets. To obtain the characteristic layers of a croissant, the process of rolling and folding the dough is essential. In this phase, industrial laminators play a crucial role as they efficiently laminate the dough into uniform thin sheets. Designed to handle large volumes of dough, these specialized machines ensure a high level of production in the factory. Dough sheeters ensure a precise end result thanks to their high-precision rollers and customizable parameters that maintain a constant thickness of the dough. Its versatility allows the thickness of the dough to be adjusted according to the requirements of any recipe, which is essential for the diversity of products that a factory can offer. Thanks to these industrial laminators, which automate the rolling process, the mill can mass-produce high-quality croissants with uniform texture and puff pastry. During the rolling process, rotating knives carefully trim the edges of the dough sheet, guiding it and ensuring clean, even edges. This careful trimming makes it easy to achieve a uniform size and shape in subsequent steps. The dough is then subjected to specialized machines equipped with cutting blades, which divide the dough into triangles perfectly designed for the traditional shape of the croissant. The dough triangles are fed into the machine through small movable nozzles. As the dough moves along the conveyor belt, the precisely programmed injectors add different flavors or fillings in the center of each portion of the croissant dough. Among the possible fillings are fruit jams and sweet chocolate creams, offering a variety of delicious options. The rolling procedure begins with a rotating knife that gently lifts and folds the edges of the dough. To prevent the dough from sticking to the conveyor belt and interfering with the rolling, it is covered with a soft material, usually food plastic or silicone. As the dough moves through the machine, it is guided and takes on the characteristic crescent shape of the croissant thanks to the combination of the moving blade and the soft material on the production line. The extended dough sheets come into contact with rotating wheels, spaced at regular intervals or with side rollers aligned with the conveyor belt. These pieces gently press the dough, giving the croissant the desired shape with precision. This meticulous process ensures that each croissant maintains its shape and quality, ready to be baked and enjoyed. On the other hand, more advanced production facilities can incorporate robotic arms programmed to shape the dough using grippers or spatulas, ensuring that each piece maintains a uniformity in its shape and appearance. These robotic arms handle and move dough pieces with great precision and smoothness, ensuring a continuous and efficient process. Customers have a wide range of options available, as factories can infuse the dough with different colors and flavors. Chocolate croissants, for example, can be prepared by adding cocoa powder or melted chocolate to the dough. It is also possible to create croissants of various colors using natural colorants such as spices, fruit juice, or vegetable extract. To further improve texture and flavor, some companies sprinkle croissants with chocolate chunks, almonds, seeds, or sugar crystals. The base of croissants usually consists of an oversized skillet, specifically designed for quick baking on an industrial scale. These specialized trays feature curved holes that allow the croissants to maintain their characteristic shape during the baking process. Once placed on the trays, the croissants are moved to the section of the plant where the huge ovens are located. To accommodate these large trays inside the ovens, engineers have implemented sophisticated rolling and rotating devices. These mechanisms ensure that the trays keep moving, allowing for even heat distribution and ensuring that each croissant is baked evenly. Thanks to these rotating gears, croissants acquire that perfect golden and flaky texture that characterizes them. The controlled movement of the trays inside the oven not only optimizes the baking process, but also allows large quantities of croissants to be produced efficiently, without compromising the quality of the final product. This ensures that each croissant, no matter the volume of production, meets the standards of excellence that consumers expect. The use of intelligent robotic arms to sort and handle hot croissants represents the next advancement in the automation process in the baking industry. These advanced robotic arms are equipped with sophisticated vision systems and machine learning algorithms, allowing them to accurately select thousands of croissants from conveyor belts. Thanks to this technology, robots can analyze and decide the best way to package croissants based on various criteria such as size, shape, color, and texture. This level of precision allows the robotic arms to select the most similar croissants from each batch, thus ensuring the uniformity and aesthetic appeal of the final products. To ensure efficient distribution during packaging, the croissants are separated before being transported to different conveyor belts according to their specific characteristics. This process not only optimizes packaging efficiency, but also ensures that each croissant meets established quality standards, maintaining consistency across all batches produced. Baked croissants can be flavored and enriched with fillings using advanced manufacturing techniques. To this end, sophisticated equipment is employed with precise tools that drill small holes in the sides of croissants without compromising their structure or appearance. Through these holes, delicious fillings are injected into the already baked croissants, adding an extra layer of flavor and texture. The automatic packaging of croissants is carried out using specialized high-speed technology. This process includes the use of inline packaging machines capable of quickly packaging individual croissants. The croissants are automatically transported from the production section to the packaging machine by means of conveyor belts designed specifically for this purpose. As the croissants move along the conveyor belt, the packaging machine unfolds a continuous film of plastic, forming a tube around each croissant. The film is precisely sealed and trimmed to fit the size of each piece. Automatic sensors ensure that the plastic film is precisely placed and sealed around the croissants, ensuring uniform and efficient packaging. This process not only preserves the freshness and quality of the croissants, but also allows for fast and consistent production, adapting to market demands and ensuring that each croissant reaches consumers in optimal condition. Gas injection and vacuum sealing are two advanced packaging methods that significantly increase the shelf life of croissants. These processes remove oxygen and replace it with inert gases, which helps maintain the freshness and quality of the product for longer. The packaging process has been fully automated thanks to the use of state-of-the-art robotic arms. Equipped with high-tech sensors and extremely precise grippers, these robots are able to quickly move croissants from conveyor belts to large cardboard boxes. As the wrapped croissants enter the packaging area, the robotic arms detect and grab them quickly and accurately thanks to sophisticated vision technology. Not only do these robotic arms ensure that each croissant is placed correctly and neatly in the cardboard boxes, but they also optimize the use of available space, which greatly reduces food waste. The ability of automated systems to adapt to different configurations and their reliability are critical to ensuring timely and accurate delivery of freshly packaged croissants to a variety of outlets, including supermarkets and other retail establishments. The efficiency of these systems not only meets customer demand, but also improves the productivity of factories, allowing croissants to reach consumers in perfect condition and at the right time. Once thousands of boxes have been packed, each filled with hundreds of delicious croissants, they are carefully loaded onto trucks specially conditioned to maintain the right temperature during transport. These refrigerated vehicles are responsible for bringing the precious cakes to each establishment, ready to be enjoyed by the end consumer in all their splendor. Whether it is filled with ham and cheese, melted chocolate, or some exquisite fruit preserves, the croissant has conquered the palate of millions around the world, becoming a true icon of international pastry. The influence of this delicacy is so great that some cities around the globe organize what are known as croissant marathons. In these events, participants walk the streets of the city from bakery to bakery, tasting croissants from each of them to determine which one makes the most exquisite cakes. Not only do these celebrations serve to promote local bakeries and pastry shops, but they also offer croissant lovers the opportunity to immerse themselves in the rich culture and diversity of this iconic cake. These events highlight the uniqueness of croissants, not only as a culinary delight, but also as a cultural phenomenon with an impact and influence that transcends the boundaries of cuisine. And that's how we got to the end of this video. Tell me, what did you think of the process of croissant production? I'll be reading you in the comments. If you liked the video, click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. In the windows that you will see below, there are more videos that may catch your attention. Go ahead and watch one. Until next time.